Hello, I'm Manuela, CEO and co-founder of Alpha. We are the biggest art collective in the world, but we hold no inventory. Alpha is a B2B marketplace connecting companies to the visual arts, and our mission is to revolutionize the process of art consumption. This diagram shows how it works now for Hilton's head of design to outfit a new property with artwork. How it works is they'll have to hire a local curator who will only work with a handful of artists, who will then outsource production of the artworks, which is the bulk of the project, to a number of suppliers unknown to Hilton, adding multiple layers of cost and complication to a project project that is already one of thousands that head of design is overseeing. And this problem is industry-wide, from hospitality to commercial real estate to multifamily. So in comes the Alpha platform. We lower the amount of touch points in any given project to one. Alpha is the iTunes of the visual arts. We license content by thousands of artists and dropship limited edition prints made to order. Our network of suppliers allows us to import and export art cross-border without the hassle of logistics or intercontinental taxation. Essentially, we offer the same quality and experience of a gallery, the speed of an online transaction, high customization, and affordable pricing. We operate in a massive market. Our initial target market of $9 billion entails interior designers buying products for PropTech. We've now moved on to a total serviceable market of around $18 billion, which includes our geographical expansion to Europe and Asia, which is already ongoing. We work with the entire spectrum of real estate and PropTech, from traditional hospitality companies such as the Four Seasons to commercial real estate giants such as LPC and Beacon Capital Partners. Beacon is a great example to actually talk about. We started off with them a year ago with a small pilot for around $11,000. That pilot has grown into over $250K in sales in over 5 cities in the United States, showing the potential of our land, expand, retain strategy. In the multifamily space, we have strong relationships with Related, and we're working on bigger projects now with RXR for portfolio-wide expansion. We have a white label integration, which allows our clients to use our API to pull our products into their front ends. And we service important design platforms such as ePorta, Zola, and a number of tenant experience apps such as H2O and Mobile Doorman. So how does the process work? Our clients take a simple questionnaire, which builds their user persona. The platform then outputs a tailor-made collection for that client. The client can then upload different room views and try out different sizes. Once they finalize the specs, including sizing and framing, the API sends over a high-res image to the producer as close as possible to that client, who then frames, prints, and delivers straight to the client. QR codes have been a seminal part of our development. They not only provide a path from B2B to B2B2C, which can be used for rev share models, but they are the backbone of our content strategy, which allows us to have video content of an artist talking about his connection to that city, to that property, and even to that neighborhood, really building on art as a community building tool. So how do we differentiate ourselves? Galleries are expensive and inaccessible, and art advisors are a limited source of artwork. Companies like Artsy work with the expensive art galleries and art advisors as white pages. They don't provide customizable solutions, which are essential in the design process. On Alpha, every artwork can be produced in any size or medium. Companies like Society6 provide affordable solutions, which are completely disposable. On Alpha, every artwork purchase brings with it the image copyright in perpetuity, enhancing and maintaining value, and the key is technology. Our team has the perfect combination of market savvy know-how and outside critical perspective. My family has always been in the arts. My father's an art dealer, my mother's an artist, my uncle a gallery owner, and I grew up in finance, but had a critical point of view on how the art market organized itself. My business partner, Renato, on the other hand, has a master's from Christie's education and has worked in the sector's most important institutions. Our CTO is experienced in building out products capable of handling scale, such as The Voice and Big Brother Brazil's mobile applications, among others. We're raising $1.5 million. About a third of that is already in the bank, and that gets us to $3.3 million in revenue. Last year, we grew about 220% to 130K in sales. This year, we've already achieved that number, and it's not even mid-quarter 2. So thank you for listening, and, jump on the Alpha rocket ship. Thank you.